Hi guys, so let's start with how we're gonna upload a book on your library. First off, select the Upload Book tab on your left from the dashboard. Then you'll see on the right the upload form will show. On the top of the page we can start entering our information for our book. Start by entering your book title. Then we can enter our book description. Keep in mind that for a better view on the library I suggest a short description, but there's no character limit. After that, we ask if there's an audio version of your book because some of our users likes to buy the audio version when it's possible. It will also show in the library if an audio version is available. So choose your option. For the word count section, it can sometimes be difficult to know the exact amount of words, but keep in mind we usually go for 300 words per page. For the price of your book, keep in mind that even if you want to upload your book file, you should enter the amount if the user wants to buy it on Amazon and help your organic ranking by giving you a verified purchase review. If you say $0, you'll have to upload your book file in another section of the form. After that, copy and paste your Amazon book link so user can go on your page to leave a review. You can also add another link from any other platform so user could leave a review there and earn more ink drops. Now let's upload our book cover image. And let's upload a book file so we have more chances to get other users to review our book with a free download. You'll have to click free download if you provide your file. It will also show on the library, so it's easier for other authors to select your book with a free download. Now you just have to click submit and you added your first book on Read and Rate. Thank you for watching and see you on the next training.